Hello friends, please if you want to improve your communication skills, so please stop doing all these things. If you want to be fluent, if you want to be perfect in English, like as a native speaker, like as a who speak English well, okay, all the person want to improve communication skill, but they don't know how to improve our communication skill, because of which underconfidence, hesitations, because of which they can't speak English. So today in my video I am going to tell you everything. What if you are interested, if you are like for improving English, so please watch my fully video, watch my video till the end. And if you like my video, so please as well, if you like my video, so please like and subscribe my channel. Actually your like and your comment is very important for me, so please do the comment and do the like. So without wasting the time, let's come back to point. As I am saying that all the person want to improve communication skill, but they don't know how to improve our communication skill, how to start speaking English, because then they try to speak English in front of other people, so that times they can't speak English well, because of which hesitation, okay, due to the reason has a hesitation and underconfidence, because of which they can't speak English. So today in my video I am going to tell you because of which, due the reason they we are not able to speak English in front of other peoples, in front of person. So today in my video I am going to tell you everything. So I think I have some reason because of which I can't speak English, and that reason is, first of all, we afraid of making the mistake, because this times I am speaking English in front of other people, so I believe definitely I am making the mistake. Okay, I think this problem is very big problem. Okay, who want to improve communication skill, who are learner. Okay, please we relax when you are improve your communication skill, so please that time we relax. Okay, actually when we start speaking English in front of other people, so that times people are making the fun, because people are making the mistake and people are making the fun. So how could I speak English with the other person? So today please stop doing all things. Okay, when you start speaking English, only try to speak English. I think this is a very big reason for because of which I can't speak English in front of other people. So please stop at only try to speak English, because you want to be fluent in English, you want to be perfect, because of which you can't speak English. Okay, actually that's the reason is make the mistake. I will make the mistake. Definitely, people are making the mistake, and I am being insulted. I am being criticized. So, how to speak English? Please stop it. Only try to speak English. Your aim, your passion is improving your communication skills, so please avoid this thing. Only try to speak English, because I had this problem, because I am suffering these problems, because I am learning English, so that times I have lots of confusion, because this times I am making the mistake and people are making the mistake. Why shall I afraid of making the mistake? Because speaking English is my passion. Even native speaker make the mistake, I know very well. Okay, even I speak in Hindi, so that times even I make the mistake. So why shall I afraid of making the mistake? I think this is a very big problem, every person, every learner have. Okay, so please stop it, only try to speak English if you want to be fluent in English. And another option, another things every person have who are learner, because I don't know how to improve our communication skill, because I wish I could speak English. I could speak very fluently, but I don't know how to speak English. I know i know actually all the learner have a problem. First of all, you should listen. Okay, listening power is very important, because all the times I told listening power is very important, because if you are good listener, definitely you will be good speaker. So please, listening power is very important. And next one, practice is very necessary. Without practice you can't speak English. I have an example. If you want to learn, driving, but you don't know how to drive, so I think when you start driving, is after that you can start driving. After otherwise you can't driving. Okay, you can't driving. So same these thing, if you want to improve your communication skill, you should have the practice, because practice is very necessary. Without practice you can't speak English. Because I want to tell you about myself. When we start speaking English, so that times I wanted to improve my communication skill, but I didn't have practice. I didn't learn speak English. I didn't speak English with myself, with other person. But that times I couldn't speak English well. But this times I am having the struggle. I am having the practice each and every day. So I feel something like this. I am being the perfect day by day, because this times I am making the video, and I make the video each and every day. So I think I feel something like I am being the perfect, and I believe definitely I will be improve my communication skill, and I will be fluent in English. I believe so. That's how you can start your speaking English. Actually, all the learner have a problem how to improve our communication skill. When I start speaking English with the other person, so that times I make the mistake. So how can we start speaking English with other person? I think this is a your excuse who are making continuously. So please stop it and stop doing all things. Okay, only try to speak English. And how much you can practice, definitely you will be perfect. Okay, so please stop it and only try to speak English without thinking any mistake. Only speak English, and whatever any words comes in your mind, and then speak. Okay, only try to speaking. Please, please go ahead and take the one step, because when you take the one step, definitely you will be improved. When definitely you will achieve your goal who want. So please stop it making the excuse, because this times I am making the wrong and people are laughing at me. Please stop it, only try to speak English. I believe, I know your communication will be improved, definitely, provided you have to have practice. Without practice you can't speak English. You have to hard work, you have to determine, okay, for speaking English. So definitely you will be improved. So I think I want to tell you, please stop it doing something like this. Only try to speak English and listening, and have the practice, and stop it making the mistake. Stop it, because this times I am making the wrong in front of people. How can I speak English with other person? Please stop it and remove all things from your mind. Okay, only try to speak English. So in the end, I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually, your comment and your like is very important for me. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.